Oh, crap.
This is a test of the NOAA Weather radio warning alarm device. Tests are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday and Saturday between 10 a.m. and 12 noon. When there is a threat of severe weather in the area, the test is postponed until the first good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary from place to place. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances,
You don't go off.
will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order.
Same Gene,
The warning alarm will be activated for severe thunderstorm, tornado, and flash flood watches, and for severe weather warnings affecting the following counties in the KIH 54 listening area: Bibb, Blunt, Chilton, Coosa, Jefferson, St. Clair, Shelby, Tuscaloosa, and Walker.
It works better in
This
here.
has been a test
This
of the
thing.
NOAA Weather radio warning alarm device. We now return to our normal programming. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for the county served by the National Weather Service office in Birmingham. For outlook through tonight, river flooding is ongoing or forecast for
Look.
several river basins across central Alabama. Please refer to river products for specific
Still like the
information.
telephone.
And now the extended outlook for the period
Honestly, in my
Thursday
opinion, it's not a
Tuesday.
bad radio.
River flooding is forecast to continue for several river basins across central Alabama. Please refer to river products for specific
A
information.
lot of people say that
Water
the
information
screen
statement,
on it.
activation of storm spotters and emergency management is not expected at this time. Here is your National Weather Service forecast for the Birmingham listening area. Today, cloudy. Patchy drizzle this morning. Cooler with highs in the mid-60s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour.
Stressful. And I heard that the screen on this radio will sometimes fade for certain people. Not depending on who the person is. But like, apparently the screen will fade. But mine doesn't. I mean, mine's a version 13. What do you expect? It's probably the newest version. Who knows? Bye, guys.